Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P2074-00 indicates that the Manifold Absolute Pressure map sensor is sending a signal that is lower than expected. This sensor plays a critical role in measuring the intake manifold pressure, allowing the powertrain control module, PCM, to optimize engine performance. If the map sensor's output deviates significantly from the readings of the barometric pressure sensor or the turbocharger boost sensor under certain conditions, the PCM registers this irregularity and stores the DTC. Identifying and addressing this issue promptly is key to maintaining the vehicle's performance and efficiency. The location of the map sensor in the Honda CR-V is typically found near the intake manifold, making it accessible for inspection and testing. Proper diagnostics will require utilizing Honda's HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, tool for accurate data readings during troubleshooting. The DTC P2074-00 relates directly to a malfunction in the map sensor, which is crucial for measuring manifold pressure. It functions in conjunction with the PCM to ensure optimal engine operation by adjusting air-fuel mixtures based on pressure readings. The map sensor is situated close to the intake manifold, where it can accurately assess the pressure within the system. When there's a discrepancy between the map sensor and other pressure sensors, like the baro sensor and turbocharger boost sensor, the PCM recognizes that the readings indicate a potential issue. This failure can lead to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, or even engine stalling. Hence, the normal functioning of this sensor is vital for the overall performance of the Honda CR-V. Several potential causes can trigger the DTC P2074-00. A faulty map sensor is the most common culprit, which may result from internal component failure or wear over time. Furthermore, issues related to wiring can also produce erroneous signals. Damaged, frayed, or shorted wires can interfere with the sensor's ability to transmit accurate readings. Corroded connectors can also impede electrical connectivity and, subsequently, sensor function. These wiring and connection issues may lead to inconsistent data being sent to the PCM, flagging the DTC. Each of these causes requires careful inspection to determine whether they indeed impact the map sensor's performance. When DTC P2074 is present, it can manifest through various symptoms that negatively affect vehicle performance. One major symptom is reduced engine performance, where the vehicle may struggle to accelerate or reach higher speeds. Owners might also notice a decline in fuel economy due to the engine not receiving the right air-fuel mixture, leading to inefficiencies during combustion. Additionally, in some scenarios, the engine may stall unexpectedly due to irregularities in pressure readings and management by the PCM. These symptoms not only decrease driving satisfaction, but can also pose risks to safety if not addressed swiftly. The first troubleshooting step for dealing with DTC P2074-00 involves starting the vehicle's engine and holding it at 3,000 RPM without any load until the radiator fan activates. This process is essential to simulate conditions where the PCM can assess sensor readings accurately. Following this, allowing the engine to idle for at least 5 seconds helps stabilize the readings before further tests. This step enables the technician to gather baseline data from the map sensor while the engine operates under more controlled conditions. This procedure is paramount as it lays the groundwork for subsequent evaluations of the map sensor's signal against expected parameters. After confirming the initial conditions, the next troubleshooting step involves a test drive under specific circumstances. The vehicle should be driven with the engine speed maintained at 1,700 RPM or higher, ensuring that the transmission is set to drive. D. Monitoring the HDS readings, particularly the relative throttle position, RELTP sensor, above 42.2 degrees, is critical. This test should last for at least 6 seconds to gather comprehensive data. The readings collected during this drive will help determine whether the map sensor is operating normally or if discrepancies are still present. Proper execution of this step is crucial for effective symptom isolation. The final troubleshooting step requires observing the OBD status through the HDS tool for DTC P2074-00. This step confirms whether the code remains flagged after the preceding testing procedures. If the DTC is still present, it suggests that the underlying issue has not been resolved, and further investigation into the map sensor or associated wiring and connectors is required. Consequently, if the DTC clears, it could indicate that the initial problem was temporarily alleviated. This step serves as a pivotal confirmation of the previous evaluations, ensuring that technicians have a clear understanding of the sensor's performance after the initial evaluations. After completing the necessary repairs related to DTC P2074-00, it is essential to conduct a final verification. This involves confirming that all repairs were performed correctly and that the map sensor functions within specified norms. Validating its output data through the HDS tool ensures that it aligns with other sensors like the baro and turbocharger boost sensors. A thorough test drive will assist in confirming that engine performance outputs are as expected without any signs of previous issues. This final verification step is critical in ensuring long-term reliability and satisfaction of the repairs made. To help prevent the occurrence of DTC P2074-00, regular maintenance routines should include sensor checks, which can identify symptoms before they escalate into significant problems. Routine inspections of wiring connections around the mat sensor can help catch issues such as corrosion or wear early. Implementing scheduled diagnostic scans can provide insights into the functioning of all relevant sensors, allowing technicians to address any impending concerns proactively. Preventive maintenance is not merely about fixing what's broken, but ensuring the system runs optimally and enhancing the overall longevity of the vehicle. In summary, understanding DTC P2074-00 is crucial as it relates to the map sensor's performance in the Honda CR-V. A thorough understanding of the sensor's functionality, as well as the role of the PCM in regulating engine operation based on its feedback, is essential for effective diagnostics. Performing thorough tests and addressing any underlying issues ensures that repairs are comprehensive and trustworthy. Ultimately, timely repairs and preventive maintenance can significantly mitigate the risks associated with this DTC, delivering better engine performance and reliability for vehicle owners. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps will equip technicians with the knowledge necessary to diagnose and rectify the issue effectively. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.